been all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
Hey loves, in today's video, I got bored with my hair, okay, basic. It was so funny, somebody left a comment in my last video, which probably is the only comment, or maybe not, but they are saying how basic my hair was. But I am in a growing phase, so that means not too much on the hair, not too much with the heat. You see my hair looks thin around the edges, so I gotta like take it easy so I won't be doing the most when it comes to pressing and manipulating my hair. I'm about to put my wig back on for the rest of the year. In this video, I've never did crinkles on my actual full long content, so this is a long content of me doing crinkles because I got bored and my hair is oily. I'm about to wash it. The video of me coloring my leave out and stuff, I kind of deleted by mistake, so it's time to wash my hair, so I'm going to recolor my leave out, so stay tuned for that. And some skincare in the next upcoming videos. And don't forget to subscribe. And let's get into this video. I'm going to play y'all some music. Y'all know how it goes. We'll be doing more talking and chit chat, more or less about skincare in future videos. But just stay tuned. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, I've been used to being used like this. Ain't no difference on me, more than lies with my thoughts. Raising all that for protection over my moves, past possession. Talking about my stand on these at a 6.7, handing out points up. My dad on me, mother's brain. Feel better. Might get tipped right in my business. Might get tipped sharing my vision. Might as well get to see the word conversation. My focus, bitch, I'm Obi-Wan, you got it in measure. Gotta be easy to get myself on. I need you by the face. Now I'm in about of taste and stop working with you. Can't lose myself, here we go, I wanna say. I don't think myself need you, honestly. All of the work that I was on. Don't need this lunch and spend my life discovering new shit. Got to be more, got to be more.